Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Fidelity to your crypto assets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Fidelity to your crypto assets, begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Accounts section of the dashboard. Look for the External Accounts option. Click on Add External Account. Select cryptocurrency from the options listed. Provide the necessary details for the cryptocurrency account you wish to connect. Enter the account name, type, and the balance information. Review the terms and conditions for connecting external accounts. Confirm that you agree to the terms and click Next. Fidelity may require you to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification process. Once verified, you will need to link your cryptocurrency wallet. This typically involves entering your wallet address and possibly a security code. After entering the wallet details, double-check for accuracy. Click on Connect to begin the linking process. Fidelity will initiate a review of the connection request. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the connection is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Your crypto assets should now be visible in your Fidelity account. To manage your crypto assets, navigate back to the Accounts section. Here, you can monitor and manage your investments. Keep this information updated for seamless transactions in the future. Regularly check for any updates from Fidelity regarding connected accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.